Washing your auto by hand can be an unwinding and fulfilling action. Washing your own auto will spare you the cash that would some way or another be spent paying for an auto wash, and enables you to give additional consideration regarding particularly grimy territories of your vehicle. Business auto washes utilize rough materials that may scratch or harm your auto's paint, so washing your own particular auto by hand will enable you to keep the vehicle and paintwork in flawless condition. To wash your own auto by hand, you'll require a level, shady fix of cement, and access to a lot of water and a hose. You'll have to wash your whole auto in one session, which as a rule takes an hour or two relying upon the span of your vehicle and how filthy it is. Getting ready to wash the car. Stop the auto out of direct daylight. This averts untimely drying, which can leave splotches on the paint. Washing your auto in coordinate daylight additionally risks your auto getting to be noticeably hot while you wash it, which will bring about water vanishing all the more rapidly and influencing the cleaning to process more difficult. 1. Watch that all windows are shut and withdraw the receiving wire, keeping in mind the end goal to keep water from getting inside the auto or the radio wire from being snapped off. Force the windshield wipers from the windshield until the point that they click into their propped position, far from the glass. Set all that you will require close to the auto. This incorporates cleaning material, the auto wash cleanser that you will use for cleaning, an expensive supply of water, contingent upon the span of the vehicle, 3 pails, 2 for washing, 1 for flushing, a hose, and microfiber fabrics or towels to dry your car. 2. You'll additionally need to have a few wash gloves available, in addition to a substantial wipe, a solid scouring brush, and perhaps a different brush to scour your tires with. Be set up to get wet and foamy. Wear the fitting work garments, shoes, shorts and elastic shoes when the climate licenses, long jeans and elastic boots when it is somewhat nippy. You can buy auto particular cleanser at your neighborhood vehicle parts store. When filling the 2 wash pails with cleanser, be mindful so as to take after the producer's proposals concerning the recommended water to cleanser proportion. Fill a basin with water. At that point include auto wash cleanser in the amount coordinated on its container. This will be your washing pail. In the event that your auto is exceptionally filthy, or on the off chance that you'd get a kick out of the chance to have a washing can for the body of your auto and a different washing basin for washing your auto's wheel wells, you can fill 2 pails with water and cleanser. Fill another pail with plain water. This will be your washing can. You just need 1 can for flushing, regardless of whether you've utilized maybe a couple pails for washing. Washing the car. Hose off the auto to slacken and diminish the earth. Try not to utilize a solid stream of water from the hose, as this can rub coarseness over the paint and scratch it. Attempt to point the fly of water downwards on all surfaces. 5. Aiming upwards around windows may make water spill into the auto if there are defects in the elastic seals. Wash the wheels first. Since the wheels of your auto are regularly the dirtiest part, it's a smart thought to wash them to start with, so earth flushed off of the wheels won't arrive on an officially clean piece of your car. 6. Use a long, thin wheel brush for cleaning the openings of the wheels. On the off chance that the wheels are as of now lustrous and clean, rather utilize a wipe or a glove to clean them similarly as you would the auto body in the wake of hosing off as a great part of the additional earth. Wash your auto utilizing an expensive wash glove. Wash the auto area by segment, beginning at the best. Clean off winged animal droppings or splattered bugs. Keep the wash glove clean. Flush each area after you've washed it. Keep the whole auto wet as you wash it. Spare the lower body of the auto for last. Clean the tire side walls with a plastic brush. Splash the hose over the base of your auto. Drying and waxing the car. Dry the vehicle with new towels. Wax the auto once it's been dried. Regard rust and paint harm as required. Apply a water repellent treatment to the windows.